This is your future home sweet home, where the only thing bigger than the 4 spacious bedrooms is the potential for family fun. So grab your favorite snack, kick off your shoes, and let's explore the place where memories are made. This is the ultimate family hangout. With these spacious living areas, you might just be able to start charging admission. Contact the McCarthy Realty team today to make this your new home.